master soufflé perfection. Welcome to Inside Kitchen Stories, where we transform French culinary art into magic. Today, we'll demystify making a classic soufflé at home. First, butter and sugar your ramekins to encourage an impressive rise. Next, create a smooth custard by gently whisking melted butter, flour, warm milk, egg yolks, and vanilla. Then, beat egg whites with a pinch of salt and sugar until glossy peaks form. Carefully fold them into the custard, protecting the airy texture. Divide the batter into 4 ramekins and bake at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for 18 to 20 minutes. Remember, do not open the oven door. Serve immediately dusted with powdered sugar. Enjoy creative twists like chocolate or citrus, and delight in your triumph. Like, subscribe, and keep exploring culinary wonders. Bon appetit and savor every bite.